this presentation, we'll be making a basic ADA sign using a blue Gravitac 1/16 substrate. We'll place that directly on the Gravogriff mat. On top, we'll place a 1/32 thick white Gravitac profile material. This is adhesive backed with 3M adhesive. We'll apply the two sheets together, load the job over into the engraver. The handheld controller will prompt us to insert the profile cutter, and that's the blue cutter. We'll put that in the spindles, reverse threads, so that the torque doesn't back the cutter out. And the engraver will route the profile letters and pictograms. In this demonstration, we're using Gravitac material for a basic two-color sign. You could also use this very same process to digitally print on second surface using a flatbed printer or a roll printer, and then laminate using optically clear adhesive onto the back of a clear piece of matte finish material. That would give you a premium graphic appearance to the sign, also allow you to be much more flexible with the appearance. Okay. Now that the profile routing is completed, we'll brush away any debris that remains in the cut lines so that we have easier cleanup later in the process, and weed away the tactile material. And this leaves us with a perfect thickness of 1/32. Now we will change the cutter, and the handheld controller will prompt us to do that, and it will come out and drill the braille, and then stop and prompt us again to lower the raster braille insertion tool. So we drop that tool into position, press the check mark on the controller, and the engraving system inserts the raster spheres into the sign, and now we have a finished sign. This sign took less than 2 minutes to make, start to finish. It has perfect 1/32 height tactile lettering and 1/32 braille. Also, here's a sign that was digitally printed, and the very same process on the front surface. If you have a larger engraving machine, then you can make a bed of signs so that you do a matrix. All signs can be the same or different.